Once upon a time, in a lush and bountiful forest, there lived a clever and cunning fox named Felix. Felix was known throughout the forest for his intelligence and sly tricks. He was always looking for opportunities to satisfy his never-ending hunger for food. One day, as he was wandering through the woods, Felix spotted a tree with a beehive hanging from one of its branches. The beehive was dripping with golden honey, and the aroma was simply irresistible. Felix's mouth watered at the sight of it. However, there was a problem. The beehive was guarded by a swarm of angry bees. Most animals in the forest knew better than to mess with the bees, as they were known for their fierce defense of their hive. Felix, however, couldn't resist the temptation. He hatched a plan to steal the honey. He found a long stick and slowly reached for the beehive, trying to avoid the bees' notice. But as he touched the hive, the bees immediately swarmed around him, stinging him mercilessly. Felix yelped in pain and fled, his plan having failed miserably. Nursing his wounds in a secluded spot, Felix reflected on his foolishness. He realized that his greed had clouded his judgment. He had ignored the warnings of the forest creatures and paid the price for it. From that day forward, Felix decided to mend his ways. He would no longer be driven by greed. Instead, he would share his intelligence and cleverness to help others in the forest, building friendships and trust. Slowly but surely, he became a respected and trusted member of the forest community. The moral of the story is that greed can blind us to the consequences of our actions. It's important to be content with what we have and to treat others with kindness and respect, rather than seeking to take advantage of them for personal gain. In the end, the path of honesty and compassion leads to true happiness and fulfillment.